Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can take photos with 200 megapixel mode on your Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. Okay, so all you have to do is just open this camera application, go for the more modes and open Ultra HD mode. After that, click on this 200 megapixel mode and right now just take photo, catch focus, click on the shutter, open the gallery, and right now you are able to enjoy photos with a lot of details on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.